Yeah, it's pretty comfy like this. Like this is.
Just step on it. Step.
Oh, damn. Oops, I probably shouldn't have said that. Stop. Yo!
Start riding, or are we just going with this for now?
No, we'll just. I mean, you can take a couple steps. Oh. All right, now your turn. Oh.
Ready?
Look, don't jump though. Just like, ooh, go ahead.
All right.
Oh.
I'm on the inside. You want me to step to the out, or just keep it here?
I mean,
Very relaxed right now.
oh gosh.
It feels like it's holding. There might be a little give.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. I was not ready for that.